What are the main objectives of EIA? Okay, environmental impact assessment has one main objective. And the objective for an EIA is to ensure that whatever project is coming to a community or to a place, a new hospital, a petrol station, a quarry, a milk processing plant, a school, a home, a village, a market, roads, whatever project it is, that it does not harm the environment. So an assessment that identifies the negative impacts, hasara, that a project is going to bring to an environment. If you want to start a hospital, ni vitu gani, what are some of the negative impacts? What can happen assuming that hospital is operating and they do not necessarily care about the environment, about the water, about the health, about the waste they are producing, about the emissions, the air emissions they are producing from the incinerator, about how they handle the hazardous waste, about how they handle the workers in their environment. What would happen? That hospital may cause more damage to that community than it would bring benefits. Now, the objection of an environmental impact assessment is to ensure that before that hospital is built, we have identified all the possible negative impacts that might come. They were not there, they now might come. If a hospital is not careful, watakuwa wanachoma takataka zao zote in open air, whereas it should be done in an incinerator. Hiyo open air penye wanachomea hizo takataka, and then mvua jioni moja inanyesha, hiyo uchafu na bebwa inaenda kwa the river yenye tunakunywa maji chini. So we have identified the risks of that project, and then we have developed a plan of how tutamanage aje hii project ndio isiharibu the environment, because everybody in Kenya has a right to a clean and healthy environment, and they also have the right to have that right protected. So the objective of EIA is to help NEMA enforce that right. Does that now answer the question? So the objective is to ensure that all projects are safe and they do not cause harm to the environment. Broadly, that is the objective.